Former Philippine Defense Secretary Norberto Gonzales is calling on those conducting the investigation into the alleged anomalous flood control projects not to shift the blame to critics or the previous administration. He said the focus should be on the current issue to hold the real culprits accountable. This report from Almar Forzuelo.
Hindi relevant yung nangyaring mga korupsyon sa panahon ni Duterte. Ibang usapan yun. Yung kay Chavit Singson, ibang usapan din yan. No? Pero hindi yan makakatulong para masolve yung problema ng korupsyon na nangyayari ngayon.
This was the statement of former Department of National Defense or DND Secretary Norberto Gonzales following what seems to be a shift in tone regarding the ongoing investigation into the widespread corruption in the country. In an exclusive interview with SMNI News, Gonzales said it would not help if the current administration diverts the real issue and shift the blame to the opposition, while he clarified that he is not claiming the previous administration or Duterte's allies were free from corruption. He stressed that those currently embezzling public funds must first be held accountable.
Tingin ko, kunyari, ginawi kay Chavit Singson, no? O yung binabanggit na marami din naman nangyaring korupsyon ng panahon ni Duterte. Yung binabanggit na, pinakikita. Alam mo, hindi natin sasabihin hindi totoo yung accusation kay Chavit. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na wala talaga nangyaring korupsyon ng panahon ni Duterte. Pero hindi makakatulong yan kung ang gusto mong gawin ay mapatunayan o hindi na nagkasala yung mga gawa ng korupsyon ngayon.
He added that the administration seems to be silencing its critics, including Vice President Sara Duterte, who is facing an impeachment complaint, and Chavit Singson, who was charged with plunder after speaking out against the government. In the end, Gonzales emphasized that the interests of the people should prevail and that the corrupt officials in the current administration must be held accountable.
Ang interes ng taong bayan, paano natin i-address yung korupsyon na nangyayari ngayon? Hindi po pwedeng isolve yan by saying na nangyari din noon yan eh. Ibig mo sabihin, dahil nangyari noong panahon ni Duterte, okay na mangyari ngayon? Mali yan eh, maling logic yun. Ibig mo sabihin, dahil corrupt din si Singson, ay si Chavit Singson, ibig sabihin ba niyan, hindi na totoo yung mga sinasabi niya ngayon? Maling logic yan. Yan ang ginagawa nila ngayon.
The investigation stemmed from the massive flooding that submerged the large part of the country, following President Bongbong Marcos Jr.'s statement that thousands of flood control projects had supposedly been completed under his administration. For God and my beloved Philippines, Almar Forzuelo, SMNI News.